Our industry-leading training takes you beyond the equipment. We teach hands-on, step-by-step techniques to clean contents, electronics, delicate heirlooms, and everyday household items faster and more effectively than ever before. Dive into our immersive, hands-on II, CRC, CEC training programs designed to elevate your cleaning skills. From the pack-out to the pack-back, our assembly line techniques ensure you master the art of restoration, enhancing your ability to clean more contents in-house and stop outsourcing electronics such as laptops, televisions, and many more, making you become a one-stop shop for the adjusters. Beyond cleaning equipment, our training emphasizes practical skills that translate to restoration efficiency, ensuring faster, more effective cleaning every time. Our courses are tailored to fit your unique business needs, streamlining workflows, and boosting profitability. Whether you are a new restoration company or been in business for years, our customized solutions can transform your restoration process. Darrin Helcher, the Director of Training at Omegasonics, has spent 18 years in the restoration industry. His extensive experience spans across various applications, from fire and water damage restoration to industrial parts cleaning. His hands-on approach and vast knowledge make him an invaluable resource for those looking to learn or enhance their ultrasonic cleaning skills. He has trained countless professionals, providing them with the confidence and expertise they need to handle complex cleaning tasks effectively. With Omegasonics Contentstraining, you don't just restore belongings, you restore lives. Schedule your on-site at your facility or Zoom training today and become part of a network that values excellence and innovation. Visit our website to learn more and take the first step towards revolutionizing your restoration services.